Give maybe 3 tips for somebody listening who's either looking at getting into cybersecurity or they're already in cybersecurity looking to progress their career. They might just be a newbie into the industry like yourself.
Yeah, 100%. Looking to get in, I think I said it last time, networking is gold. Regardless of whether it's an online webinar or just adding people on LinkedIn, chatting to people, or going to events, it's priceless sort of information that you can get. Like I went to a networking event last night, learned a bit more about like cyber intelligence, spoke to a few other people in the industry, and you'd be surprised about the little things that you pick up in conversation that you weren't planning on learning, which is exciting. Number 2, as I said before, don't stop learning. It's an industry that's rapidly changing and will continue to. It's not something that's going to stop and stay still. So continue to learn, to continue to upskill. And thirdly, I guess, understand what you want out of your career as well. So, if you want to go down that leadership path or, start getting under managers and realize, or I guess take in how people run their teams, that sort of stuff. If you want to be a subject matter expert and just continue to learn and be the person that people turn to understand a certain topic, go for it as well, because the amount of different avenues you can take in cybersecurity is phenomenal. There's not a day that goes past that I realize, wow, I could also go down and do that as well. It's quite vast.
I think, mate, the one that stands out for me there is the networking. We preach it all the time here. Networking events occur face-to-face, like the one that you attended last night. The more people you can actually shake hands with, ask questions with, and cybersecurity people are so keen to spread their knowledge and help people get into the industry. Like it's I'm not just saying that. That is so true. I see it all the time and my theory is that cybersecurity people over the past 10, 15, 20 years, only up until recently, that they've kind of lived in their own little bubble and they've not been able to speak to people, or everyone's not really been all of that interested in cybersecurity, I think, until the past 5 years. And so they haven't actually been able to help people, or people haven't actually expressed all that much interest in the industry. So they haven't spoken about an industry they're so passionate about. And so now I go to an event and the events are busy. There's so many people there. There's newbies picking the brains of all of these people that have been there for 20 and 30 years. And they're like, finally, I can help these people and talk about the industry that I'm passionate about. Have you found that? Or even actually, maybe a better question would be, now that you're in the industry and say you're at a networking event or at a family event or a friend's event and someone asks you, what do you do for work? And you say cybersecurity. Are they like really, really interested in it? And they ask you a bunch of questions?
Yeah, 100%. As soon as I mentioned cybersecurity, oh yeah, cool. So you keep the internet safe or something like that is generally a pretty funny one to hear. But I guess also they go, what do you even do? Like they understand, I'm there to keep things safe and keep everything turning. But at the end of the day, until you think about it, you go, what is cybersecurity? And then that's where the answer gets even bigger as well, because you go, well, depends on what sort of sector you want to look at and what practice you want to look at in cyber as well.